Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify wire transfer details with Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify wire transfer details with Wells Fargo, start by logging into your Wells Fargo online account. Visit the official Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the account from which the wire transfer was initiated. Look for the Activity or Transactions option. Find the specific wire transfer you want to verify. Click on the transaction for more details. Review the recipient's name, account number, and the amount transferred. Check the date and any reference numbers associated with the transaction. If you need additional confirmation, note the transaction ID provided. For further inquiries, call Wells Fargo customer service at their dedicated line. Have your account information ready when you call for a smoother process. You can also visit a local branch for in-person assistance. Bring any relevant documents if you choose the in-person option. Make sure to ask any specific questions about the wire transfer. Take notes during the conversation for future reference. After verifying, ensure your personal records are updated accordingly. Always keep your account details secure when handling wire transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.